Today we will talk and discuss what is the average age of a house. All things living and non-living wear out with age, your homes included. There comes a time when the building starts losing its structural strength and outer sheen. What is the average age of a house? Ideally, the average lifespan of any concrete structure is 75 to 100 years. But it is considered that the average life of an apartment is 50 to 60 years, while of a house it is 40 years. Independent home age much slower than an apartment building where the amenities and common services are shared among the society residents. Their lifespan can be improved by carrying out regular maintenance. Why do homes age? A house is a structure made of a combination of elements that degrades with time. Put together, the environmental impact and the human usage both do their share of damage. Apart from this, poorly designed homes degrade faster anyway. Things that are under constant usage like water pipelines, power cables and other allied services get degraded over time and worn out after a fixed period of time. Apart from this, window and door openings, poor construction quality, waterproofing, painting, layouts of plumbing also result in the aging of a home before time. However, independent homes ages much slower than an apartment building where the amenities and common services are shared among the society residents. How can you increase the lifespan of your home? Here are some measures that can help you improve the lifespan of your property. Regular cleaning and proper segregation and disposal of waste material are quite important. Furniture maintenance and regular whitewash are mandatory, and so are annual checking of termites, damp wall, and pin. Weather conditions play a key role in deciding the lifespan of the building. This can cause degradation to the building's exterior facade. Similarly, areas that receive high rainfall will face water seepage, dampness, and cracks in the concrete structure. This also heavily affects the average age of the structure. Prepare your property well to fight the weather conditions. Always choose a sustainable material that can be used efficiently in designing the home. It is preferred to buy locally built things as they are designed keeping in mind the local conditions. This can in a way increase the lifespan of the structure. Avoid using metal elements in your home if you live close to the coastal area, as the salt content in the sea breeze is quite high and can rust the railings and fabricated facade material. Using the right kind of material for construction can increase the average age of your structure by manifold. Once built, regular maintenance, proper upkeep can make your house healthy for years. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to the Engineer Ajay Lords channel, How to Make Home.